guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Neema and I post everything beauty, DIY, fashion and lifestyle. So if any of that is at your interest, please be sure to be subscribed on my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to share my video. So in today's video, I'm gonna be doing Morphe and Coca-Cola combination palette. So Morphe, we know, like Coke and Morphe came together and decided to come up with a palette, and so this is what the palette looks like. It's really basic. I mean, it just says Coke and Morphe right there, but I really love the color combos and everything, and these are like the Coke colors anyway. So they had like a full like makeup set, but I only got the palette and the lip set. So this is like mini lip glosses and it comes with 4 shades in it. So yeah, these are the only 2 things I got. I didn't get the brushes because I have brushes already, and the beauty blenders, I have those already. So this is what the palette looks like from the inside. The inside color and design is way good than the box, like than the outer package. But yeah, this I really love. It's a simple, like an average palette. It's not too big. It has like 18 shades I think inside. So this is what the shades look like. I mean, I already used them to make this look, so that's why they look like used, I mean, and like messy and all that. But this is what the shades look like. You got like your warm tones and like really neutral tones, and you have like the pop of reds on the middle row, which that is what drew me to get this palette, the reds and that silver shade right there, which I used on my eyes. So yeah, and it comes with a mirror. I mean, it's a really like self-dependent palette, and it retails for $24 or $25, I think. I'm not sure, but it's 20 something dollars. So it's not like an expensive palette or anything. It has like neutral shades, shimmers, and like pressed pigments. So yeah, this is what you get in this palette, and that is how it looks on the front, and this is what it looks at the back. Then we have these 4 shades of lip gloss. They are mini, so this is what they look like. They're just simple. So this is a clear one, and then we have like a peachy nude right there, and then we have a red, and we have this brown one. So this is their combos. So on my lips today, I used this the peachy nude one, and I just put like a brown lip liner. So yeah, this is what they look, and this retails for, again, 24 something, I guess $24. I'm not sure about the prices, guys. I'll put them in the link and the links in the description box below. Look I came up with, and I mean, as you can tell, it's a normal good look. I mean, it's elegant. I love it. I really love it. I think this palette is so good. So if you want to see how I achieved everything in this look, please watch till the end of this video, because I'll be talking through and like giving you tips and saying what I think as I go. I mean, oh my god, for the shades. So yeah, please stick till the end of this video, and if you like more videos like this, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. And you can also leave a comment and tell me like other videos, ideas you want me to do. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So as usual, I went ahead and did my eyebrows off camera, and I already prepped my eyelids, and they look like a hot mess right now, but I promise it's all gonna come together. So to start off, I'm gonna take that light brown shade right there. It's called Name Drop, with my Morphe E22 big fluffy brush. I'll use that shade as my transition on my eyelids. So next, with a smaller brush, I'm gonna be taking that dark red shade. It's called Good in Red. I'll take that and put it just above my crease to start creating the look that I'm going to. Using my Morphe 433 brush, I'm going to be taking that bright red shade right there. It's called Always Bright. I'll take that and blend out the red I just put on my eyelids. And I must say these shades are very pigmented. Like, look at that. Look at how it picks up in the brush. They're super pigmented, and it's the same with the eyes. I've seen like other reviews, people be like, oh, Morphe and Coke failed this time. I don't know, like these shades are not blending in together, or there's not pigmented. I don't know how, or if it works for others but not for everyone. But this is pigmented. I mean, I don't know why people say they're not, but I guess we're different. But yeah, so now with my flat brush from Morphe, it's M124 brush, I'm gonna use this to cut the crease in both of my eyes, and I'll be right back. So my crease is done, and now I'm gonna take the same brush I used to cut my crease and take that shade right there. It's called Fizz. Don't mind that big chunk of glitter out there. It's just my palette fell when I was doing my eyes. So yeah, I'm gonna take that shade, and that will be like a starter shade to that glitter shade that will come after. So I'll take the Fizz and put it right where I cut my crease. Oh wow, can you guys see that? It's a shimmer shade, by the way, so yeah, but it looks so pretty. It looks so gorgeous, you guys. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but right here in my mirror, oh my god, it's that blinding shimmer. Yeah, I love this shade. I love it. Okay, so as you can tell, this eye is pretty much done. So what I did off camera, I went ahead and took that shade, that press glitter shade, I just forgot the name. So yeah, that shade, and I used my finger to like scoop it out of the pan and like slide it on my eyelids. So that's what I'm gonna do now. And I must say, you guys, this glitter is super good. I've seen a review, and this one lady said, oh, it moves, it transfers, it doesn't blend well, but I don't know, I love it. And from that video, she did not use a primer. So I mean, what do you expect? It's a pigment glitter, and if you're gonna do a bold eye, you need like at least prime your eyelids. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna use that shade. I forgot the name, I don't know what it's called, but yeah, I'll use that with my finger to like smudge it on my eyelids. So this is what it looks on the finger. So if you can tell, I'm like pulling it on my eyelid first, and then later I'll come back and like press it so like it stays in place. And you really want to be close to the mirror for this. I mean, unless you can see yourself. So then I'm gonna use the same flat brush I used for my concealer, and the one I used to put the first shade before this one. I'll use this to like really get close to my edge of the crease I cut, because I can use my finger for that. I'll mess up everything. This glitter has a little bit of fallout, but you can be mad at glitter, it falls out. Like you can, I don't think you can avoid that, but yeah, so I just wanted to say that. Taking that on the brush, and I'm going in really close to fill up that edge of my crease. And like just press it again down, just secure it in place. Okay, so now with the same first brush I used and the first red shade we used, I'm gonna use that and put it on the outer corners of my eyelid to like really bring that bright red. Okay, so for my inner corner, I'm gonna take that Fizz, the first shade I put on my crease. I'll take that and put it on my inner corner, and then jump right on my face before I do my lower eye, because you guys, if you've been here, you know, like I do my under eyes after I do everything else. So yeah, I'm gonna put that shade on my inner corner, move to my face, and then we'll continue. Okay, so moving on to my face, today I'm going to be using the Juvia's Place I Am Magic foundation, and this is in the shade Gabon, I think. Yeah, I think Gabon. I'll put the names in the description box if I forget. But yeah, this is what it looks like, and I'm going to use the same brush by Juvia's Place to blend out my foundation. And oh, I forgot. So for primer, I'm gonna be priming my face with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Matte Primer today. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can tell, but I think this shade is kind of lighter for me. Maybe it oxidizes, but I mean, I picked it myself, so I don't know if it looks lighter in the camera, but it looks a little bit lighter right now. Now I think it matches my skin tone, but yeah, I don't know. Again, this is just me, so don't come at me. So okay, for concealer, I'm gonna be using the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Concealer in the shade J11. What the concealer looks like. So to contour my face, I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Glow Contour, and this is what it looks like on the inside. This is in the shade Deep. This is what it looks like. For blush today, I'm going to be using the Juvia's Place blush called Bella, and this is what it looks like on the inside. And I'll use this it's a powder brush, but I'm going to use that to just blush my cheekbones. I already went ahead and set my face with this Revolution Makeup baking powder in the shade Banana, and this is what it looks like. So now we're moving on to highlight, and I'll use the Fenty Beauty highlighter. So now we're off to the lips, and this is the 4-pack of lip gloss that comes with a palette. So I really don't know what lip I'm gonna do. Like I don't want to do a red because I already have a lot going on in my face right now. I was thinking to do like these two. I don't know what you guys think. Which one should I go with? Which one? So I'll go off camera, do my lips, finish my lashes, and be right back. So this is it, guys. This is the final look for this video, and I really love how it turned out. And by the way, this is the lip I went with. I just did like a brown liner, and then this is what I put on, and I guess I just found my best lip combo, a brown lip and this thing. It's really good. I love the color. It's like kind of peachy and then a nude at the same time. But yeah, so this is the final look, the finished look. So my final review about this palette, I love the packaging, the color combos and all that, and I love the shades inside. Like it has like your daily shades, like the browns, and you have, if you want a pop of color one day, you have your reds. So I guess it's a cool average palette. It's not that good or it's not bad at all. So it's an average palette for someone who's just wants like an everyday makeup look palette, but a pop of colors for like dinners and stuff. This is, I love the color. So Morphe and Coke, this is a good combo. I think if you haven't got the palette because you're skeptical, I know people didn't get the palette until they saw reviews. So if this review helped you, please go get this palette. I think it's worth it, and it's not that expensive like other palettes. So yeah, the only thing I can say is that the shades like have a little bit of fallout. Like if you can see, like I have glitter, a little bit glitter on my face, and that's from that silver shade right there. But it's fine. It's nothing too bad or anything. All in all, I love this palette. I think it's a good, it serves the purpose, and I love the lip combos. They look so gorgeous. Like I wish I used that red, but I just didn't want to have like all reds and all that. But yeah, I really love I love them. But yeah, so this is the final look. I really loved how it turned out. Tell me what you think in the comments. And yeah, I mean, I'm about to go film another video probably, so if you see me again in this combination, just know where I came from. So if you love videos like this and all other videos from my channel, please be sure to be subscribed on my channel and give this video a big thumbs up so your girl can grow your channel, because it helps me a lot. Please watch the whole video. Well, I hope you did. It's the end. So yeah, I mean, till next time, bye.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading